Get ready for a sparkling bonfire night. Here's how to make it fun and safe for everyone. First, always keep a safe distance from bonfires and fireworks. It's important to watch the magic from far away. When it's time for sparklers, remember to wear gloves and hold them at arm's length. Never run with them and have a bucket of water ready for when they go out. Also, make sure to dress smart in snug clothes and avoid any loose items like scarves that could be a hazard. Finally, keep your furry friends indoors. The loud noises can be scary for them, so they'll be much happier watching the colorful bursts from a cozy window. Have a wonderful time and remember to stay safe and enjoy the sparkle.